Tutorial number 44. In the previous tutorial we talked about the constant edge fillet, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about the variable radius fillet. So now let's delete some of the created edges here. So let's delete this edge. Okay, and now let's see the difference between the constant edge fillet and variable radius fillet. So now let's activate the variable radius fillet as we see in this icon, or from insert dress up feature variable fillet. Now let's click this edge, and the variable radius fillet give you points where you can control the radius of the fillet, and here you see two elements or 2 points. If you click here, you will be able to, and you click choose in the element. If you activate this section and click on the edge, you will be able to add points, and if you click on it again, you will delete that point. So for now let's add 3 points, and here we can see all the points have a 2 millimeter radius. So let's double click to change the radius of these. Be sure that we are in the 5, or let's make it 10. Okay, and let's choose this radius, make it 25. Okay, this radius, make it 10, and last one, let's make it 5. Okay, preview, and as you notice we have a variable radius fillet. Now you can notice the difference between the constant and variable, and you can change the radiuses as you want. In the next tutorial we're going to talk about the next type of fillet, the chordal fillet, and then face to face, and the last type of fillet is 3 tangent fillet. So see you in the next tutorial.